Applied Avionics is the designer and manufacturer of Vivasun advanced lighted push-button switches, indicators, and NEXSYS Avionics interface solutions. For more than 50 years, Avionics system engineers have recognized Vivasun as a best-in-class solution for pilot interface controls in the cockpit and throughout the aircraft. What separates Vivasun from similar operator interface hardware is the advanced functionality afforded by integrating NEXSYS Component Technology into solutions for cabin and flight management, in-flight entertainment, navigation, communication, environmental control, and power distribution systems. NEXSYS Component Technology encompasses a platform of solid-state electronic devices that solve countless system interface challenges. There are currently 12 distinct functional categories of NEXSYS components: ARINC signal processing, electronic latching flip-flop control, Boolean logic gates, current and voltage sensors, and solid-state relays are just a few of the advanced functions available in the NEXSYS component library. Certification is a smooth process, as off-the-shelf, discrete NEXSYS components contain no firmware or software and are qualified to meet the most demanding mil-spec performance and DO 160 electrical and environmental standards. Their micro form factor allows multiple NEXSYS components to be packaged directly inside a single Vivasun body. The body can host NEXSYS components that function in conjunction with or independently of internal switch poles. Alternatively, NEXSYS components can replace all switch poles to create an indicator with a custom control circuit, offering significant size and weight advantages over existing options. With 12 functional categories, each having multiple configuration options, there is virtually no limit to the number of ways NEXSYS components can be combined. This simple application example illustrates the power of NEXSYS Component Technology. Many air-to-ground communication systems include a Wi-Fi router that automatically begins transmitting high-speed Wi-Fi service once the aircraft reaches an altitude of 10,000 feet. However, the ability to manually control Wi-Fi service after the aircraft has reached this altitude is often preferred. NEXSYS Component Technology provides a smart solution for both advisory and control of Wi-Fi services by using a single-pole momentary switch, an electronic latch component, and a solid-state relay component. Once the aircraft has reached an altitude of 10,000 feet, the Wi-Fi router cycles on to transmit high-speed service. The NEXSYS components are energized, keeping the Wi-Fi service held in standby mode. The Available legend illuminates on the Vivasun LED cap to advise the flight crew that Wi-Fi service is available and at their command. When the operator presses the momentary push button, the NEXSYS components allow the Wi-Fi service to be accessible throughout the aircraft. Successive presses of the switch toggle between the two states, allowing control of the Wi-Fi service when available. When the aircraft descends below the minimum altitude, the Wi-Fi router disables, and the NEXSYS components automatically power down. As this example demonstrates, NEXSYS Component Technology can bring an elegant solution to a design application within the envelope of a single Vivasun body. NEXSYS components can also be packaged inside a NEXSYS module to provide maximum installation flexibility. NEXSYS modules are useful for behind-the-panel designs that do not require an operator interface or can be used to provide additional NEXSYS component capacity in switch or indicator-based applications. These modules can be installed directly in the wire harness with a flame-retardant boot, mounted with a dedicated bracket, or installed in a Type 1 rail. By combining Vivasun switches and NEXSYS modules, unlimited custom solutions can be delivered with off-the-shelf speed. Creating innovative product solutions and exceptional customer experiences are an integral part of Applied Avionics' core values. Whether your requirements are straightforward or complex, the dedicated NEXSYS application development team can provide technical specifications and engineering assistance by developing wiring diagrams, generating LT-SPICE electronic simulations, and helping to configure your ready-to-order part number. To learn more, call and ask to speak with a NEXSYS application engineer or visit us at appliedavionics.com.